This is Stoodle. Stoodle is a digital whiteboard that was created by two high school seniors and a college student. It has some great features, and it starts right here on the first page. Stoodle allows you to get started without creating a login or password. You don't need any of that. You can just go ahead and launch your classroom. They just want your information, so you can put your name in. So you're listed as one of the participants in. This is like essentially a classroom. You can copy and paste the URL to invite students into this classroom setting, and then they can all work collaboratively. This chat and participants button down here at the bottom is a pop-up. And so if I wanted to say, hello class, there it is. My name pops up, and as students come in, they're asked to enter their name. No special login for them either, and they can see exactly what we're doing here. We can all see the same thing at the same time, and they can come in and collaborate and work together. This is a great use for small groups. It has a share button, so you can share this to Facebook. Let's say if you had like a private group, you could share on Twitter, on your Twitter feed, or you can email. There's also a shapes function here, so you can create the shape that you desire. They also have ones for circles. You can do a line if you wanted to create angles. Let's say if it's math and you're doing a math lesson, or you're doing a tutoring, or trying to teach the student a new skill or help them understand something. You can also upload images. So if students are given an assignment and you're just going to drag the image so that you can decide what size you want it to be, then you can just upload an image. Now you can upload from Facebook, Google Drive, Dropbox. It has several different options, but you can also select right from your computer. When you do that, it's just an easy, just like you would typically upload, and then it will show up on your page, on your classroom whiteboard, the size that you requested. Another feature on here on the side is you have the pencil feature, so you can do writing. I'm going to keep working while that's loading. You can write. You can also change the color. And it just has a lot of it's very easy to use. So this is great for students. There isn't a huge learning curve. You also have a text box feature. So you would, let's say, create your text box wherever you would like. You'd click on the area you want your text box. And then your text box shows up. What is the answer? In the color that you chose. So you can undo something. I'm going to show you a tool that I like. This is the move button, so you can use this tool to move certain objects around or move your text box. You also have the ability here, if you look at this tool, I like this because you can click this and it'll isolate what you've done. So I notice how it doesn't just remove the entire 4. It clicks out a portion of the 4. So it's a nice tool if you just made one, for if a student makes a minor mistake and they don't want to have to erase the entire thing. It has an undo button. It's just an easy tool to use. You can use this for ELA, science, social studies. It just has a lot of different uses. I hope you take a look and kind of check out Stoodle and see if it could be useful in your classroom. I'm thinking of several ways I can use it for my students. Character storyboard, teaching elements of a story, math, science. So I hope you give it a try, and I hope other people enjoy it as well, other educators. Thank you.